burst into the night, laughing, dancing, pure delight. Feel the magic take a flight.
Yay!
Hands up high, let's touch the sky.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
Remember the first time in the moonlight, time stood still. Oh, what a thrill. Your eyes met mine in a silent song. Hearts alive all night long. My love forever, forever. We're rest together, my heart never sever. We'll stand through all weather, hand in hand through the storm. Love will stand, keep us warm. In the darkest night, you're my light. Hold you tight, it's alright. As the days go by, our bond keeps growing. With you I'll fly, love keeps flowing. In the darkest night, you're my light. Hold you tight, it's alright. As the days go by, our bond keeps growing. With you I'll fly, love keeps flowing. My love forever, we're endless together. My heart never sever. We'll stand through all weather, hand in hand through the storm. Love will storm, love will stay, keep us warm. In the darkest night, you're my light. Hold you tight, it's alright. As the days go by, our bond keeps growing. Every time I see your face, feels like a warm embrace. Heartbeats call your name. In love, there's no shame. Whispers in the night, so sweet. Moments that we always need. Hands held tight, we are one. In your light, I've just begun. Never say bye, stay with me. Together forever we'll be. Through the highs and the lows, love that's forever and grows. Never say bye, stay with me.
Yo guys, I'm not okay. Like my head is literally banging. I'm not feeling okay, and I haven't been okay for the longest time. Not because of a headache, but in life, nje. Oh, excuse me. I've been feeling really low these days, hence I haven't been able to vlog. Even if I was vlogging, even when I was vlogging, I would just pick up a camera and Guys, I need to do my bed. Please don't judge me. I just woke up. Ngalungiselela iy'ngane to go to school. Even this generator, guys, iba ngumsindo this generator. I don't want anything to do with it, but then like if you are new on this channel, I hope you stay. I hope you fall in love, and I definitely hope you subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, my Buttercup. Welcome to the new vlog. You guys, I know I haven't been consistent as much as I want to be consistent. First of all, the phone that I'm using, guys, iphela in 30 seconds. Getting such a chilly man, I'm sorry, page. So it's really hard for me to vlog, but I know that's an excuse. I do vlog and I haven't been okay for the past like weeks, and not just physically but emotionally and mentally. I haven't been okay, so it's really hard to pick yourself up and take a camera and vlog, but I'm trying, guys. I'm trying, and I really want to do this, just like I really want to do this for myself, right? So that's why I'm trying to push myself, even when I see what it's really hard, but I'm pushing myself, yeah. And I know, guys. Let's do some affirmations. I am beautiful. I am talented. I am destined for greatness. I am successful. I am worthy. I am proud of myself. Yeah. You guys, I don't know, but I feel like I need to do some affirmations because life is lifing, and only that can help you. Like, you look yourself in the mirror or something and be like, I am beautiful. I am. See, every time, guys, when I start there, I come here tired and I just lay in the bed and not clean. I don't want to lie. But today I feel like I'll make the bed and tidy up a bit. It's not that dirty, Jay. I'll make the bed, tidy up a bit, and then I need to go fetch my pills, got clicks. So I'll go do some errands and then that's it. So also my nails are short now because you guys this one broke, and when it broke, it broke along with my nail and it hurt as hell. So I just cut all of them. But now I look like a para of a girl, and I wanted to do my eyebrows, like I wanted to do my eyelashes. So I think I will buy eyelashes and just fake my eyelashes and give one give okay, because my lines mahle isiphongo siphumile awusiphongo and guys, a lot is going on, but I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping for some good news this month. I will receive good news this month. Doors will open this month. This is my time. From my mouth to God's ears and to the universe. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm done. Shame. I'm done. I'm about to leave, but first let me have a bite of cornflakes, because the girl is hungry. It's 10 o'clock, 10:25.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fan. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
See how much I'm sweating. One thing about me, I hate walking, and it shows shame. I'm at China City. I'm looking for Europe. I'll show you when I find it though. Oh, tired. Now this is what I'm looking for. A skipping rope. But then I just don't know which one to buy. I wanna be in my gym get Errand. One thing about me, in and out. In, out. Also, yeah, my pills I want us to unbox because they gave me a box and I cannot not unbox a box. These are my pills. Nobody drama about jama pills. Guys, it's so nice to unbox, yes. Especially if something that you ordered online. And be waiting for the thing. It's so nice to unbox. I can't wait to unbox. I'm a PR gift to unbox things that I will get sent. Yeah, to unbox things that people will send me, like brands and stuff. Yeah, like I really need a scissor, but I do not have a scissor right now. I'm just so tight. Oops, that's what he said. Wow. I don't get it. There's my invoice. Yeah, this is my invoice. Glit Vitamin Toner. 1 milligram. I finally got you. Oh, finally. Let's see if it works. So a combo yami then. My skipping rope, and so I'm starting a chain. Starting from today, I'm working out. I wanna kill those calories. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of lashes. Guys, I wanna sleep a bit. I'll see you later because I'm still gonna go cook. Oof, guys, these lines are eating. In high school, but it's beautiful, yes. Also, sis Pongo, really knowledge. Let me go pee and sleep a bit, and then I'll catch you guys later. Maybe I'm about to. No, I'll just. Okay, guys, let me just say thank you for watching my video because I think I need to edit this vlog today and post it later on. So see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, my dear. I will do better next time. I know. Don't shout at me. I know, especially you guys on next time.